Welcome back, explorers. Have you ever wondered what happens when a mountain gets a tummy ache? Today we'll be traveling to the hottest, most explosive places on Earth to learn about volcanoes. What exactly is a volcano? A volcano is an opening that lets hot magma flow out from underground. The reason it seems to explode is because it's erupting in extreme pressure. The pressure is built up from layers underneath the Earth. To learn about volcanoes, we need to understand the different layers that make up the Earth. Earth is made up of layers called the crust, mantle, outer core, and the inner core. The outermost layer, the crust, is where we live. It only makes up less than 1% of Earth's mass. The next layer down is the mantle. This is the thickest layer, making up 84% of Earth's total volume. Lastly, we have the outer layer and the inner layer. The core, both inner and outer, are made of iron and nickel. Temperatures near the core are as hot as the surface of the sun. Now that we know the layers of the Earth, let's see what happens when all that pressure pushes up on the Earth's crust. The pressure underground causes the rocks to shift and eventually creates an opening. The magma dances around until this open allows it to spill out into lava. Over time, the lava cools higher, making a bigger mount until we have a full volcano. Volcanoes aren't always active. Most of the time, they're quiet and beautiful to look at. They can create incredible structures when the lava cools. Volcanoes are found all over the world, such as Hawaii, Italy, and even Japan. Volcanoes are made up of magma. This is melted rock inside the Earth. When this magma makes it to the surface in an eruption, we call it lava. Lava flows down the volcano and slowly begins to cool into rock. This process can take a long time, so it's important not to step on lava even when it looks completely cool. Our planet is amazing and full of wonders. I hope you had fun today learning about the layers of the Earth. Learning how a volcano forms over time, the difference between magma and lava, and even how lava cools. Thank you for watching. See you next time.